Bean Beauties, Dee Dee Bean here. How are y'all doing today? As soon as I start talking, the dogs go crazy. It becomes a dog pound around here again. It's like they've been nice and quiet. I know I say that every time, but that's how they are. It's like I start talking and then they go crazy. Today is a Kipling day. Yay, Kipling! I am doing Kipling in honor of Tera from tera'sBoutique. She is doing Kipling month over on her channel, so head on over there and go see all her great content over there. Subscribe to her, comment to her, show her some love. Hi, Bean Beauties. Just wanted to let you know that I'm also doing a collab with Clara from over at PSA, Public Shopping Addict. And I will put up her picture and put up some information for y'all so that y'all can make sure to go over there and follow her channel, tell her hello, send her some love. We're doing a three-way collab, and we ended up doing it just kind of at the last minute, and so we hope that you will enjoy it because we definitely all are enjoying our Kipling month with Tera from tera'sBoutique. I'm going to do what I have here. I only have 3 pieces. I had purchased 4, but I used the other one and it's in another bag, and I'll just have to show it to y'all later. I wanted to get into some Kipling pieces that would help me with the lightweightness of it. So I've been getting into several bags that have to do that, or going back to the roots on those kinds of things. I never had Kipling before, never even seen Kipling before until I met Tera. And she does Kipling. This one was purchased from shopgoodwill.com. Now, the Kiplings on shopgoodwill.com the prices are good, but the shipping is outrageous. So I didn't do too much on there. Let me see if I can find it and give you some information. I think this is it. Yes, I think that's what this one is. Floral. Yes, okay. So this is supposed to be a crossbody. It's so small. Let's see what it looks like. It is just a crossbody, a little messenger bag crossbody. Now, I saw some other things that were good, but Tera always has these cute little monkeys and gorillas, and so I wanted them. They have some that are metal, so one of the bags that I bought a black bag from Macy's, I think. And it's a really cool bag, but it came with the metal monkey, and I'm like, I want these monkeys. So they're supposed to have names on it. Let me see if I can read the name. Faye, her name is Faye. She's beautiful. So here is the bag, front, side, very, very slim profile, the back, the other side, the bottom. It has a zipper here, down here. This is in really good shape. Has the zipper here, really good shape. I don't even know. I do see like a little candy wrapper, so maybe somebody did use it. Here is the inside. I don't know if you can see it. The opening is not very wide. It has a back zipper pocket. Let's see if the zipper is in good condition. Yes, the zipper is in good condition. I know my cell phone, it's iPhone 14 Pro, fits all the way down in the pocket back here. I don't think it'll fit. Yeah, mine is big. If you have a smaller cell phone, you probably could put it down here as far as horizontally wise. Mine can fit there. A lot of times what I do with these is I will set them this way, and then I'll zip them like that. See, I'll zip them like that, and so I can have easy access, and that's if I'm not being mobile, if I'm sitting. It has a cute little gorilla. It has the Kipling little zipper here, and it has a crossbody. So let's see how this crossbody. It is adjustable, but it's at its longest length already. See, it has a little thingy here. My headband is coming off. Boop. Okay. Let's see how it fits. Oh, good. Yeah. It's very comfortable. It fits right here in my hip, and if I need to move it. And this definitely would be something you would be on the go, really quick. Oh yeah, see, I could even, that would work out good there. Yeah, I like it. And I will move him over to this side, or move her over to this side, because Faye, I think, is a girl's name. I used to have a friend, her name was Faye. So I'll move her over to this side because that's where I like them. So there's bag number one. She was $9.99, $2.36 tax. See, $13.64 shipping. $5 handling, $30.99. It was in such a good shape. Macy's and even the Kipling sites, they had some sales going on, which were about that price. They were, I think the Kipling website had a sale starting $24.99, but I really didn't like any of the bags that were on sale, so I liked this one. So I added everything up, and I was like, okay, so with the shipping price and everything, it was still comparable price to the brand new one. And this is in really, really good shape. So this came all the way from Miami Gardens, Florida. So that one was from Miami Gardens, Florida. This one came from, yes, this one also came from shopgoodwill.com. Okay. So this one all came from also Miami, Florida, Miami Gardens, Florida. I purchased this one November the 24th. And this one also, she was cute. I bought it because of the monkey. And she's just like, it's this Kipling woman's blue-gray print handbag. And here's a little monkey, the gorilla. And let's see. Her name is Melanie. She's just a little bitty bag here. I thought, if nothing else, if I can't use it as a handbag, if it ends up being too small, I definitely can use it as a travel pouch or a bag, you know, for my stuff in my bags, you know, a bag in a bag, put cosmetics in it or what have you. So it's really cute. It's really, really cute. It's perfect for the crook of the arm, carry it here and there. Here is the front. Here is the side profile. Here's the back. It has a nice big pocket. My cell phone definitely fits back there. This one also too is in a really good shape. It's a really fun color. Very clean on the inside. So these are the kinds of bags that I like to put. When I travel, I always put anything like my cosmetics or my perfumes or any of that stuff in a bag. And I have other bags for them, but keep all the time in my suitcase. But sometimes if I'm pressed for room, I will put something in here, in something like this, and I will use this, take whatever it is out. Like for this, I would use hair products because it's something that I wouldn't necessarily want it to get dirty. So I would put like my bobby pins, my magnets for the walls in the cabin for the cruise ship cabins. I would put miscellaneous items like that in here and then take them out, put them on the vanity, and then I can use this and just hang it on my scooter, and it's be something that I can keep my phone in. And when we go into the theaters or what have you, I'll have something with my phone, some tissues, aspirins, things like that, just that when you don't have to go back to the room and you don't really want to leave it on the scooter, because sometimes some of the theaters I can take the scooter up with me in the theater and then sit into the chair and park the scooter right there where we're sitting in the handicap section. Sometimes I have to leave the scooter in the back and then walk up to the front. So on those occasions, I like to keep this next to me. So that's item number 2. And item number 3, also from Miami, Florida. And this one definitely is not a bag. Let me find it. Okay. Let's see if I can open it. This one's another fun color. Kipling has a lot of fun colors. They didn't have so many fun colors on the website right now when I was looking to purchase some stuff. But so these must have come all out of the same store. I just bought them at different times. But it had a cute little monkey. So this one's name is, oh, her name is worn off. She has been used a lot. See? But this is a lunchbox. It's a cooler lunchbox. So I thought this would be good for, I like, you know, the little lunchboxes, because this is great to put your makeup in, because if it gets dirty, it's really easy wipeable. So I figured I would do that for it, or I can use it on vacation too. All these kind of neat things. Oh, let's see. And it does zip up. I'm supposed to zip up. This one I got for, well, the price was good, but the shipping once again. So I just got these 3 pieces and I said, nah. But I wanted to make, you know, I made sure that they were good pieces. There, yeah, see, it zips up. It's nice and cute. And it's supposed to have a crossbody of some kind, but it didn't come with the crossbody. But, you know, you could use it as a crossbody. I thought, you know, I would use this as a bag as well, too, because it's cute. But it was $2.99. She was $2.99. Not bad at all. The bid was $2.99. Tax was $107. Shipping was $5. And then they tacked on. They're like, okay, we'll say shipping's only $5, but then they tacked on a $5 handling fee. So total of $14.06. But you know, it's still comparable to what the item is worth. It's in great clean condition. It has been used because, you know, used quite a bit, but for it to be used enough to where this fades off and this fades off here. Here's the labeling there, but it's in great conditions, no stains or anything like that. So I like that. So here's 3 Kipling products that I got. So I just wanted to support the efforts that Tera was doing over in Tera's Boutique. She changed her name, so now she's Tera's Boutique. So don't forget to head over there, give her a like and subscribe, tell her I said hello. Don't forget to go over to Clara's channel on PSA and give her some love as well too. Tell her I said hello, like and subscribe as well on her channel as well too. Don't forget to do the same for me. I greatly appreciate it. It helped my channel grow. And I'm trying to reach 500 by the time my birthday comes in February. And I think I might be able to make it with y'all's help. So hopefully we can get there. All right, Beanbeauties, thank you so much for coming by. Love y'all. Bye-bye.